What's good, YouTube? What it is, man. Hope everybody had a blessed day. Hope all is well. And as y'all can see, we have some cut up pigtails that we're gonna cook up today, man. Now, if you're from the South or whatever, like myself, I came up on meals like this, smothered pigtails and rice. It's like a staple, red beans and rice, man. Goddamn smothered liver and gravy. Like, yeah, man. So, them the type of meals I came up on. This the type of meals, I'm going to be bringing to the channel. Appreciate y'all for clicking on the video, man. Rocking with your boy. Appreciate every last one of y'all. So, I got my fresh pigtails. You feel me? I brought them cut up already. Got my seasoning cut up already. Put some onion, white onion, or yellow onion, a purple onion, some bell pepper. Now I have my seasons over here. Got a little of that Louisiana seasoning. I'm gonna just dab it with that, to give it that Creole kind of kick. And of course, I got the onion powder, garlic powder, some chicken bouillon. That's gonna bring that flavor. Black pepper and some goddamn ground paprika, man. You feel me? So, yeah, man, I'm gonna get this seasoning and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna get this thing cracking, man. Y'all, we back, man. So, I got them things all seasoned up. Got a little flour on them, a little light coated. Cause, I'm gonna fry these. I'm gonna lightly fry them, you feel me? Get a little coat, little crisp on them, and take them out. Then we're gonna start the gravy process. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all know what it is. So got my skillet hot. I forgot it was on the burner. I had to take it off. That motherfucker hot as hell. But look, what I'm gonna do is slap it back on the burner, and I'm gonna go in instead of vegetable oil. I'm gonna go in with some butter, a little butter, and some I got some bacon grease from earlier. I saved it. So yeah, we're gonna lightly brown them, fry them with that bacon grease. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all know about that. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how it look when I start the process, man. So we back. We got them things. The first batch in there, yeah. So like I said, this is butter and bacon grease. That's some good flavor right there. And we just gonna lightly brown them. That's it, lightly brown them. We want to get a little light crust on them. Just like you do anything else when you smother something down. Same process like chicken, goddamn beef, whatever you smothering down, turkey wings. Some people don't brown their turkey wings. I like to brown my turkey wings as well. Because people don't understand, this a crucial part in making gravy. Browning your meat. That's how you get that flavor in the bottom of the skillet. You feel what I'm saying? So we're gonna see how it look. Make our first flip. See how they looking. Okay, so yeah, see how they look. So yeah, we'll go with that. We'll go with that. And don't judge me, but I'm cooking on a hot plate right now. It is what it is. Hey, we still cooking, man. We still burning, Still cook the same, you know what I'm saying? Just moved, so I ain't got a stove yet, but working on it. So I'm gonna flip the rest of these. Oh yeah, that look good right there. Yeah, look at that, y'all. So true, so true. I'm gonna cut this vent off, man. Y'all can hear me better. So yeah, we're gonna brown them, the rest of these, and gonna come back. Alright, y'all, we finally back, man. Took a little minute. But I got all them things, see them tails? Things beautiful. Got them all golden brown, you feel me? So now, with that leftover grease, we finna go in with that seasoning, you feel me? That's right. So true, so true. So true, so true. Look at that, man. Look how beautiful that is. Beautiful right there. We're gonna turn the fire on a little bit. I'm just gonna lightly brown, season real good, light caramelized. And like I tell y'all now, it just smells so good. You know what I'm saying? So good. Yeah. Yeah. Only thing I'm missing is some garlic, but I'm gonna substitute that with the garlic powder. So, yeah. So this part right here, you can season, or you can wait till you start the gravy. But I like to season mine, you feel me, during this time. So, cause remember, this is when you starting your roux, you're making your roux. You feel me? So I like to season my roux. So I just went in with some garlic and onion powder, and I'm gonna throw a little chicken bouillon in there too. Y'all gotta be patient with me, man. I'm working one hand with the camera and the other hand I'm working with it. So, you know, it is what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna toss that chicken bouillon in there. Crushed it up in there. Gonna make some good flavor right there. So my fire back up. And once I put the water in that stuff, you know, everything gonna dissolve as far as the seasoning. Turn the fire back up. And I'm gonna put my bad. I'm gonna put my flour in there, you feel me? I'm gonna bring y'all back, let y'all see how everything looking, you feel me? Stay tuned. So yeah, I put my flour in there, and now I started the roux. Y'all see how it's looking. You know, it's called a roux right there, you feel me? Now this process is important because, you know, you can brown it however long you want it, to get the color that you want your gravy to be. You feel what I'm saying? So the longer you do this, the darker your gravy basically gonna come out. You know what I'm saying? This is the last step before we add the water, or you know, you can do broth, you can do chicken broth, beef broth, whatever you want to use, you know. But I don't have neither, so I'm gonna use water. Yeah, man. And see, like, I like to use. I use that bacon grease, cause see, that's gonna give it some flavor too. You know what I'm saying? And that butter. But you know, you can use cooking oil. I just prefer to use that. You know, I like to use like bacon lard or beef tallow. You know, cause it just hit different. You feel me? But yeah, as y'all see, that roux slowly but surely getting darker, you know, color getting darker. I feel like the darker the better, you know. Look at my dog, y'all. She just be hanging around. She like to hang around when it's food. Look at her. But yeah, so I'm finna add the water, and I'm gonna add my own pigtails, man. I'm gonna bring y'all back. So we back, and I added the water, and y'all see that's the color it came out. And this part here, you always want to taste it just to see, you know, if it need any more salt or anything. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. I'm gonna add just a little more salt and pepper, and that's it. I'm gonna let it rock out, because remember, you don't want it too salty, because as the gravy cook down, the more the flavor come out, you know, so the saltier it become, you know, so you don't want to salt it too much during this phase, you know, because as the gravy thicken up and cook down, that's when your flavor you know, it's gonna come out more. So yeah, man. So I'm gonna add these fire pigtails in here. Everything enough. And it's a lot too, y'all. This is a big pot. I had a taste for this, man. So yeah, I'm gonna eat off this for a few days, you know. Bring something to work too next week. You know, when you cook big pots of food, man, this saves you money, you know. You gotta be buying no food. And I don't really like buying fast food like that, you know. It's just, man, just people, man, you know. People don't take pride in fixing your food right these days, you know. They just fix your food any kind of way. You don't know what they doing to it, how clean they is, you feel me saying? So I'd rather eat at home, you know. So now we got all our pigtails in there, y'all. And we're gonna use all this, you know what I'm saying? All that good flavor. We want all that. Yeah. We want all that. So true, so true. Yeah, so yeah, y'all. Bring y'all back when it's done. You feel me? All you gotta do now is cover it up, put it on medium heat, just let that thing go for about good 45 minutes to an hour. You know, I'm gonna just say a solid hour, because you want them things to where they tender. You know, they falling off the bones. You know, so I'll see y'all in a minute. So y'all been like a good hour, and we back, man. This the final product, man. Y'all see that? Looking so good, man. Nice smothered pigtails. And there we go. Served up over some rice. Hitting, man. You know, all got left to do some corn on the side. You feel me? And we're gonna dig in, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Hey, let me know y'all thoughts about this meal right here, man. Y'all should give it a try, you hear me? Catch y'all on the next one.